Hi, welcome all of you. And you must have started getting some response from COAP. Today is 28th of May, and selections are started getting reflected on COAP portal. Many students are confused that, sir, if we are not getting anything in the first round, what is to be done? See, this is very normal that you will not get anything in the first round. It is very normal. So nothing to worry about that, because there are other rounds also. When people will not take in the first round, you will keep on getting the options in the next rounds. Yesterday I uploaded one video where I told you that 5 regular rounds are there till June end, followed by then spot rounds, what we call. So there are a couple of options here. Many students have not even registered with, not even applied in IITs. They registered with the COAP, but they did not apply in IITs. Maybe they were not knowing, or they got late or something. So they are also worried. My answer to all of you is, like, if you have not got anything so far in the first round, wait for the other rounds. So if you don't get into first round, the probability of your getting more keeps on increasing in the next round. So if I draw a graph here about the rounds, let's say these are the rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, A, B, C round, which are the spot rounds. And if I this side I draw the probability that you will get something, then probability increases. It does not decrease, it increases. Why? Because people will keep on taking in the first round, second round or something, and then later on in the later stages probability increases. No doubt, as you approach towards the end of the spot rounds, then the risk also increases. But risk along with probability, both these things you have to properly use so that you can optimize your gate score. You have nothing to worry, because there are spot rounds, A, B, C rounds, in which retain and wait nahi hota. Ya to accept karo ya reject karo. These options you can explore there. And there is CCMT rounds of NITs. NITs are also going to come, and then there are CCMT, and then there are spot rounds of CCMT also. So till July end, I know many students, this entire thing starts in March. This application to IITs, interviews are going on presently. This entire thing starts in March. May and June are hectic basically months for interviews. I know many students who towards the end of July they get something really good in the spot rounds. Before that they get nothing, but towards the end of July, and I tell you that the session of IITs and NITs starts in August, mid August. So towards the end of July they suddenly get some opportunities. So you need not to get disheartened, but only thing is you need to apply. If so far you have not applied in IITs, you have not applied in COAP registration, you have not done and all, you will still get opportunity in the form of spot rounds, where you can apply, where you can basically try your luck. And in that spot round, if you participate, by that time majority of students take some admission or something, then you stand a good chance to get opportunities there. And again, make the choice very cautiously, because the courses in IIT, new IITs, and courses in old NITs, that also decision is to be taken. So old IITs versus new IITs, that thing is also very, very important in decision making. Keep basically applying properly without getting worry about this, and your PDF keep watching the informative videos you are getting related to CCMT, COAP, how to make a decision. So those things you will keep on getting. All the best. So, and any question if you have, that this number you have on which you can shoot your query, your question, and you can fill the Google form. Our mentor will have Zoom interaction with you, and they will get back to you for guiding and helping you. Thank you.